These are starting to go on me. Like this stuff's starting to flake off. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in once more here to Julio's Garage. Really appreciate all the likes, subscribes, guys. Thank you very much. Today, I'm going to be cleaning my radio. After the track, it gets a little dusty, a little bit of fuel here and there. So I like to go ahead and clean it after each race, put it away. That way, the next time I take it out, it's ready, it's clean. And I also dust off my radio box too. This is a very nice radio box too, guys. Especially if you have a high-end radio, invest in one of these bad boys. So this is the Futaba T7PXR. This is one of their older models, but it still performs very well. It's a very nice radio. What I like to do is take out my battery. I don't like to leave it in there. And pretty much what I use to clean it, just some kind of hand wipes and my brush. If there's dust, dirt in your brush, just wash it off, blow it off, or let it dry. You don't want to be getting a lot of water on your radio. So pretty much, guys, what I do is I get one of these wipes. These ones smell really good, actually. You guys can't smell it, but these are pretty cheap. I don't know, like $3-4 I think it was. But pretty much I start by just cleaning everything off, just so your radio is nice and clean for the next time you use it. Because these radios are expensive, guys. They are not cheap. I really like this radio. Really nice. The spring on it feels really nice. The steering. But I like to do this. That way, next time you hit the track, everything's clean. You pull it out and you're like, all right. Then with the brush, I just kind of get in the hard to reach areas. Nothing too crazy, just a little dust off. Just like that, guys. Okay, then I'll just like blow it off. Then I get like a nice clean rag, or if you have a microfiber rag, just clean off the screen. Get all the shiny buttons nice and clean. That's pretty much it. Really simple. Really simple clean. But it just goes a long way, I think. You got your radio clean, and then what I will do is clean off my box as well. These boxes are really sturdy. I see guys will stand on them to get a better view, and they hold up, man. And then another thing I do is I'll just blow out the inside. Usually I keep it closed at the track. I don't like to leave it open. I will take out my radio and then just put like a rag over it or something, so it's just not getting dusty at the track, because it's really dusty. And then I keep my box closed so I don't get no dust, dirt. And then nice and clean. Put the battery in there, put the radio back in, and that's it. You're ready to hit the track next time. You'll just probably have to charge your battery. That's a done deal. And then I also clean my headset. Sometimes you lend them out or you're sweating, and it's just, you want to keep it clean. These are starting to go on me. Like this stuff's starting to flake off. I do the same. It's because at the track sometimes you got fuel on your hands, you're touching stuff, you're tuning. Just that way everything's nice and clean. I mean, you don't want to not clean your underwear. that's pretty much it, guys. I just do this every time I get back from the track. Clean everything, put it away, wipe it down. Really simple. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Just a little tip how I do it. Catch you guys on the next video. This was a really simple one. Peace out, guys.